You think I still haven't put plates on for me finding them?
Get fucking put down like a dog, boy.
Dude, this nigga is one shot in here. Come here, come here, come here, come here.
Go, dude.
Yo, after that match, just start an L1. I'm gonna go you real quick.
Hey, bro, you do you type shit.
Adding armor. Switching mags.
We're in the safe zone.
Oh my god. What are you clowns doing?
Oh, headshots, nigga, you're not fucking with. Don't die, bro. I got 20. 21, actually. He don't die.
Why you chow daddy though? Like.